Looking for a fun and natural way to decorate eggs? In this video, I am showing beautifully dyed boiled eggs using only natural ingredients. No artificial colors needed, just colors from nature. To get started, you will need some white boiled eggs and few ingredients from your kitchen like red cabbage, turmeric, onion skins, beets and even blueberries. To make the dye, chop your veggies or fruits, add them to a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Simmer for 30 minutes to extract that rich vibrant color, whichever color you are using. Then strain out the solids and let the liquid cool. On the screen I am showing you some colors and where you can extract those colors naturally from the ingredients available in the kitchen. Once cooled, stir in a tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the dye stick to the eggshell. Gently place your boiled eggs into the dye baths. Let them soak for a few hours or even overnight. For deeper colors, the longer they sit, the more intense the shades become. When you are happy with the color, remove the eggs and pat them dry. Just look at those earthy blues and golden yellows, marble reds. Every egg is one of a kind art. For a gorgeous finish, rub each egg with a little bit of vegetable oil. This brings out the depth of color and gives them a beautiful natural shine. Are you wondering what we are using these eggs for? You can use them for Easter or spring decorations, table setting accents, healthy snacks, deviled eggs with a twist, lunch boxes or picnic add-ons, kids' crafts or learning activities, food photography or even blogging props. If you want to try a marbled pattern, try this. Gently crack the eggshells all over without peeling them. Then place them in the dye bath. Color will seep into the cracks, creating beautiful veiny patterns once peeled. And that's how you make naturally dyed boiled eggs. A beautiful eco-friendly twist for Easter, springtime or any creative weekend project. If you enjoyed this DIY, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural ideas and share your colorful creations in the comments below. Thanks for watching.